Welcome to the Paradisart.
Bienvenue au Paradisart.
And right there is our nice large swimming platform. And where I am standing is the cockpit. And in the cockpit, well, we have a nice fishing rod here. You can catch your supper if you need to. And barbecue, showers. And I'm going to climb up here to the sun deck. And here we have fine dining, for example. You just can chill out, do some reading, just relax. It's a nice place to really be yourself.
Yes, and then forward, we're gonna go inside. And so when we come in, we got the living room. There's two sofas that make beds. So this is perfect sometime for family. You can have some kids sleeping there. And I'm gonna go down to the aft deck. To the aft. This is the master stateroom. The master stateroom has a queen bed, and it's an in-suite. So you got your bathroom and a large shower, a lot of window fans. So it's a quite very comfortable stateroom. Then bring you to the galley. Forward. So the galley, it's a pretty spacious galley. 4-burner, stove, large fridge, dinette. That also can be converted into a bed. So that makes more space available. A lot of cooking happened in this kitchen. And then forward is the guest stateroom. So that's a double bed. There's a large hatch, a lot of windows. There's also another bathroom attached to this cabin. And then I'm gonna bring you outside to the bow, where we do a lot of our cocktails and sunset drinks and sunbathing.
And here we are at the bow deck. Nice for having your morning coffee. Also have your favorite drink. And sometimes we do some dancing. It becomes like a dance floor. So I'm really looking forward to see you come and enjoy your vacation on our Paradisart.